leave them aside. By removing the screws. The first screws are easy to remove, and we've got the plate out. That's the first thing. First and foremost, the plate is out. Now let's go for the second part of it. So as I said, I want to remove and place 32 by 2 SO-DIMMs. These are 32 by 2 SO-DIMMs I want to place, instead of 16 by 2, make it 64 GB. That's the plate that's covering the grill for the dust cover. So that's the, all the screws are not the same size, they're different sizes of screws, so that makes it a bit of a task to make sure you place the right screw at the right place. But you can make it out which one goes where. Just got a flimsy cable that's underneath it for the speaker wire. So basically, we managed to remove the cable. So basically the cable plugs in through here. There is a small clip here, so you got to push it down to open it, and then it comes out from here. Just push it down the clip. Now we got to remove this main screw holder. So basically we got to use this one. Yep, we got it in now and should be out. Okay, that's that. We are very close to getting down to the board. Why is it not budging yet? Okay, this has got a wire camera card. This should have some sort of... Oh, okay, here we go. So in order to come out from there, that's it. There's like a hook in there. So it hooks into there, but I still think it's not totally out. There seems like something is still holding to this. Ah, okay. Yep. So this is almost out. There are a few screws remaining to remove. Some of the hindrance I'm facing is with the power supply. So basically what you're going to leave the power supply the way it is. Just keep it standing if possible. Yeah. And we remove rest of the screws. I don't think we should remove so much of it just to remove change the RAM. It shouldn't be that difficult, so I'll just hold on to this because I don't want to remove unnecessary screws. So that's that. The screw is out. We've got a center screw. You can see there's one screw in the center here. Remove that. So there we go, center screw as well. Put one more here. We've got this out as well. Are there any more screws down here? I'm not too sure. I don't see any more screws here. On the safe side, this should be able to come out. Another problem I'm facing here is okay, so because it's got a Wi-Fi card here, this cable is stuck onto this frame. So yes, that's it. It's out now. So you've got your bottom frame out of here. That's it. Thank God we've got now our RAM exposed. All we need to do is change our RAM for the SO-DIMMs. And this is the crucial 32 GB crucial RAM, 5600 speed, 32 GB crucial. So one by one, just go change these. Let's out with the old one, and then we're on with the new one. It would be real a mess if I had to remove everything else from here. It would be a difficult task. So all in all, let's just get the show on the road with the crucial 32 GB. And we start one at the bottom. And this is how it should go in. Yep, one in, one to go. So you've got your crucial memory. The way the system is made is so tight, gives very little room. Yeah, so finally we're done with that. Back with the cover. Let's take it from there. Not a difficult task to put this cover back in, just don't want to short anything. That's it. Very good. We're going to place our screws in there. Lovely, this is in place now, so that's done. We got RAM in there. Now we're going to make sure that we put in the power supply the way it was, an antenna undisturbed. So that's that. I see that there's slightly small gap. Yep, we have got that done, and everything else comes in place. We just want to make it done softly. Oh, I forgot, this is how it goes in. See guys, when you look at here, it's got a groove. It actually fits in there, slides in there. So if it's not slide into it, you are bound to have a problem. The fact that there need to be perfect alignment between both the power supply and the cable shouldn't be a problem. Pushing this through. When it went, yep, it's got in. We're in now, and that's about it. So lucky enough, we managed to push a whole thing in place. Yep, it's gone in. All you managed to do is put the screws back on. Yeah, we've got this in. Let's send this at 9 one more time. Yeah, so this speaker is in, and we just have to now lock the speaker. That's how this is locked. So put this back in place.